everybody, Wade McNutt here, piano meditation worship tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Our song is This Is Our God, key of C melody. We're looking at playing some melody through this and how you would think about it, make it sound nice. So God, we just call you into this lesson. We thank you. We love you. You are our God. We proclaim it today. And I pray for the student wherever they are in the world. Amen. All right, so this lesson doesn't necessarily require cheat sheets, but if you do want to be part of the email list and get the free PDF resource cheat sheets, you can do that below the video. Click on more and sign up, and I can teach you more stuff about playing the piano. So cool stuff. And you can find the chords and lyrics also below the video. You'll have to copy and paste those into a Word document. And there'll be a little thing that pops up. If you're in Microsoft Word, the little pops up after you hit paste. And it will give you an option that will, there's a few different options, but it'll look nice after you do that. So, all right. So one reason I like to do melodies is, you never know during prayer, maybe someone's praying or, you just need to vamp, circle in the middle of worship, whatever it is, or even sometimes as an extended intro. It's nice to have that, this who just like nice and relaxing. And so let's jump right in. What was I doing on the chorus right there? Here's our melody. He loves us. Now, this is a song that has a lot of syllables. This is our God. This is who he is. Da, 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 da. So to me, that doesn't sound real good. So I kind of leave some of it out. For example, so instead of this is our God, I'll go. So that's nice. So the main thing to make this sound nice is to, one, play the melody, and then get our bass notes in there. So we have an E, C/E, so you play E down here. And what did I do here? I'm staying just on a inversion of a C chord, C, E, G. And I'm gonna keep using that over and over again, and it's gonna sound nice as I play my melody with it. So notice I just keep playing this C chord over and over again, and as I change the bass notes, it's just pretty. It just works out. Hey, cool stuff. So you can do that. This is our God. He loves us. He saves us. So this is a lesson for you to explore. So the melody goes up there. He bore the cross. I am going to go to a F-type chord. Bore the cross. Beat the grave. Back to the C shape here. Let heaven and earth prove. So I'm going to stay in the C shape. Just move this top note. Heaven and earth. Hey, and I can stay in C again while I go to the A and the bass. Claim this is our God. Cool. And then in the full chord and sing video, I talked about the intro. So I'll play a little bit of it for you. Because that's something you might want to kind of loop as well, or vamp. And you can hold down the C as you play the. So if you need to loop that, that's cool. You can go ahead and do that. And then that leads us into the verse. Remember those walls that we called sin and shame. Now keep this same shape, but just move your bass note. They were like prisons that we couldn't escape. Then you'd have to jump down here. But he came and he died and he rose. I know I'm going fast, but if you need to just loop the section, you can reverse the video, go 5 seconds back or 10 seconds back. Those walls are rubble now. Intro. So again, next part of the verse. Remember those nights we called death and grave. Turn to the A chord. Stood in our way. And he rose. Those giants I did not. And then oh, here's a nice thing. When I go to that C chord, I'm going to roll C, G. And you got to use your sustain pedal. So again, this is our God. This is what he does. He saves us. Cool stuff, huh? He bore the cross. There you go. So that's all I kind of want to go over. I want to give you some stuff to use as you are leading worship, or maybe you're just the piano player for worship. But again, this is a great thing to be able to play the melody as you go through the different sections of the song. So I hope that was helpful to you. Use it. Use those techniques. Start to apply it to other songs and keep growing as a player. God bless you. Love you. Wade McGunt here, pianomeditation.com, piano meditation worship tutorials. And make sure and sign up for that email list below. It's in the more section, and stay in contact with me so I can keep teaching you more awesome stuff. Love y'all guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.